Throughout the year, many transaction batches are created and posted. Monitoring this activity can be beneficial for a single batch or for the entire year. The Batch Status Inquiry screen may be opened from the Batch Inquiry button on the toolbar, or from the Inquiry menu, select Batch Status. From here, a summary of transaction volume and amounts for each activity status type is displayed, along with a detailed list of batches for the current year. Open and archive batch types are available for selection at the top of the screen. You may choose to select a specific bank code to list only those batches assigned to this bank, or leave this blank to display all batches. The columns on the batch list grid are customizable, using the column editor to include information of particular interest. And the screen can be resized to fit all of this information appropriately. The grid contents can be exported with a single click to an Excel spreadsheet for further analysis as desired. Batch reports may be reprinted directly from this inquiry screen, even for posted or deleted batches. For either a single batch or a selection of consecutive batches, click the Print Listing button to select options and generate the report. If selected batches are not consecutive, the batch list report is not allowed to be printed. For posted batches, for a selection of one or more consecutive posting sequences, the Posting Journal report may be printed from the Print PJ button. As with the batch listing, options may be edited for the report prior to printing. If a transaction batch was deleted by mistake, or if you wish to make a copy of an already posted batch, this can be done using the recover process for any combination of posted or deleted batches from the grid, except for posted batches retrieved from other applications. Click the Recover button to create a new batch based upon these selected batches. For more complete information regarding batch recovery, access this link to the Show Me training video. The buttons for Recover Batches and printing the batch listing and Posting Journal reports are controlled by menu-level security. If the security group assigned to this user is configured to not allow access to Maintenance, Recover Batch, or the batch listing or Posting Journal reports, then the respective buttons on the Batch Status Inquiry screen will also be inactive. A standard report is available to print batch information, accessible from the Reports menu and the Batch Reports flyout menu, choosing Batch Status. This report prints a list of either current or archive batches. In addition to a batch number range, you may also limit batch selection to one or more banks, the method that the batches were created, and also the activity status. The contents of this report are strictly at the batch level and do not include entries nor details. Inquire on batch status information, including those posted or deleted. Find out more about Adagio from the product page on our website. Watch another training video on this Adagio program from the playlist, or subscribe to the Adagio YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.